In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a loan from Nayapay vertical bar step-by-step guide. If you've been seeing videos or posts about Nayapay loans, here's the straight answer for 2025. Nayapay does not offer personal loans inside its app. Nayapay is licensed by the State Bank of Pakistan as an electronic money institution focused on digital wallets, payments, and Visa debit cards, and neither its product pages nor its help center describe any in-app lending feature. Even the current schedule of charges lists fees for cards, transfers, and wallet services, but nothing for loans, which is a good cross-check that consumer lending isn't part of the product today. Because there isn't a loan button to tap in Nayapay, the safest step by step is actually a quick verification routine so you don't get taken in by scam offers. Open the official Nayapay app and browse the sections you already use: wallet, card, payments, and, if you're a business user, the ARC business area. You won't find a lending tile or application flow there. Next, check the official help center from within the app or at help.nayapay.com. You'll see articles on wallet creation, adding money, cards, sending money, and fees, but there is no category for loans. If someone messages you promising a Nayapay loan, treat it as untrusted. Nayapay support lists its contact details publicly, so if you're unsure, ask them directly through the app or via the numbers in the Help Center. If your goal is simply to access credit while you keep using Nayapay for day-to-day payments, you'll need to apply with a lender outside of Nayapay. Traditional banks and microfinance banks in Pakistan offer personal loans you can repay from any banked funds, including money you move out from Nayapay to your linked account. For example, large banks advertise digital personal loans with defined limits and eligibility checks. Those are applied for through the bank, not through Nayapay as you can see here through HBL. In summary, there isn't a legitimate built-in way to get a loan from Nayapay right now. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.